August 20th, 2024 here at the Dark Lost. Just opened the door. I got 3 birds in the sky already. Right out of the loft. That's what I really wanted to see. Right there's one of them. Look at that. One more down that side. Look at that. So awesome, awesome. Look at that. Ah, boy. At least he came right out of the loft. Beautiful bird. Look at that too. They're going. Come on, come on, come on. That's it, that's it. Come on, come on, come on. Come on, come on, come on. Whoa, right in the cage. Right in the cage. Still got one in the sky. Look at that, boom. Cutting back that way. Should be coming around. Right there. Look at that. Yes. See it? I'm letting this guys do them. Some of the birds is still coming out of the loft slowly. So I'm gonna push them out. Look at that. Beautiful. Look at that. Right on the cage in that right there. Awesome. Awesome. Right there's Marshall. Look at that. At least we got 3 for this go up right away. That's good. So I like for C. That. Right there. That was a yellow band. More yellow band right there. Jump out of the loft. Green bands. Okay.